Want to use two accounts on one social app using your Samsung phone? You have come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Dual Messenger app on your phone. Let's dive in. First, open your phone settings app. Then, scroll down until you find Advanced Features. Tap on it to open the menu. Now, scroll down a bit more. After that, select the Dual Messenger option. You will see a list of all your social apps that can support dual accounts. Choose a Messenger app like WhatsApp or Messenger that you want to enable for dual accounts. Next, tap on Install to set it up. You will be asked to confirm a disclaimer. Simply tap Confirm to proceed. After that, you might be prompted to add separate contacts. Follow the on-screen instructions if you want to add separate contacts. Otherwise, you can skip this part. If you have already used Dual Messenger before, you won't be asked to confirm the disclaimer or grant separate contact permissions. Since I've set up Dual Messenger earlier, I can't show you the specific steps, but they are straightforward. Next, head back to your home screen. Look for the new Dual Messenger apps that should be visible now. Now, just sign in with your other account. And that's it. That's how you set up the Dual Messenger app on your Samsung phone. Hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy messaging!